Excuse me, subject keeps coming up of using preamplifiers on VHF airband, and they just bring in noise. They do bring in noise. They do bring in a lot of noise. They bring in signal as well, but amongst the noise, because it obviously will just amplify everything. It's not really going to pull a signal out of the noise. It's going to make the signal louder, and also obviously the noise. Masthead preamps do help, but really they're meant for a cable loss. That's really what they were for. Where they are useful, and some people have queried it, but they are, is if you could turn a preamp on to bring in the signal better, and the noise, but bring in the signal better, bring everything in better, and then use DSP to get rid of the noise. This works because without the preamp you wouldn't hear the signal hardly at all, or not at all, depending on what you're listening to. So the DSP wouldn't do anything on the signal that's not even there. So turn the preamp on, the signal comes in, you can actually hear it, but a lot more noise comes in, but you can get rid of the noise using noise reduction. Try and demonstrate this. This is without any preamp.
Right turn direct Bobbington, left, and we'll leave the heading 155 Air Canada 866.
And we put the noise reduction on.
Good morning, listen to man.
That's max volume. We'll turn the noise reduction off.
Listen, 902.
Virgin 8 Yankee, descend flight level 100.
Descend flight level 100, Virgin 8 Yankee.
United 27, turn right, heading 250.
So that's the signal without preamp.
United 27, contact Heathrow direct to 120.4 with a call sign only.
Alright, 120
Full volume.
United 27.
Super 771 Charlie, leave Lambourne heading 265, that's your current speed.
You can put some noise reduction on.
Heading 265, keep present speed, keep it just above that.
You can only just hear the controller. So now we'll put the preamp on. Give it some noise reduction. As you can hear, completely different. So we'll try and do this while the control is keying up, but they speak so fast that this is full volume without the preamp, but using DSP. And now we'll put the preamp on. We'll put the DSP up to cope with it. So this is the preamp on using DSP. And as you can see, it's completely different.
Canada 1 left, descent to altitude 5,000 feet, turning 1013.
Turn the preamp off. Still using DSP. There we are. And with full volume.
Descent flight 190, Ocean 880. 120, the blue focal family position 3,
And we'll put some DSP on. More, obviously. We'll sort the preamp out. There we are.
The 902 left for Lambourne is heading 265 to 210 knots to test button 90.
So as you can see, completely different. So you can use a preamplifier with DSP on its own. Might not be great if it brings all the noise, but it brings everything in and you just get rid of the noise with noise reduction. Works on this radio fine, works on quite a few others. Works on SDRs we've tested. Basically anything I think with noise reduction it works. We've used external BHI noise reduction boxes on other radios for airband, XH data, Sony's, to see the back of it there, but it's an ICF 2001, it works with that. Noise reduction definitely works on one of these, as we know. And putting the preamp on, same thing, same as this, brings in the noise, but then you can get rid of it. So that's how we're able here to listen to ground controllers 60 odd mile away. Apparently we found out that the using satellite and everything, you can work out it's 15 miles to the horizon from here. So we're actually receiving 4 times basically what we should do really, a VHF on this frequency, and we're only able to do that, and that's this transmission we're on about, which comes from Reigate. We're on the Essex-Suffolk border. Reigate is in Surrey, and obviously signal has to go through London as well. And the only way we can do that is with a preamplifier and applying DSP. Thanks for watching.